Hello friends, welcome back to another Monday motivational video. So I am here to motivate all the students to how to feel motivated to study again. I know that results are out, next exams are going to happen, the attempts are so near, but yes, I also know many students who are actually not finding any kind of motivation to actually study again. So how can they do that? I will be guiding you on that point. I will start with the first point, which is accept that your feeling is normal and temporary. So this is the first thing that you have to accept and actually understand that it is nothing, out of the box. It is nothing which is extra or nothing, I would say, which is different. Everybody, even we as students, used to feel some days that sometimes the question is how to start, and that question is stuck in mind. It's like how others are doing, but it's completely normal. The next thing is always remember your ultimate goal and remember why you started. So at any point of time when you feel, oh my god, I don't know how to start, what to do, always sit back and ask yourself that what is your ultimate goal. Whether you want to become CA, CS, CMA, whatever you want to do in your life, remember that, and always remember that why you started. It will really help you push forward. Then next is find a study group to stay motivated and accountable. At this point of time, or in this era, I would say, you have so much of technology, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. There are so many, kind of study groups that actually makes you motivated. They share the templates, they share the notes, they share so many things. Then students feel that kind of link that, oh, all of us are studying together. Do that. It will help you start the preparation. The next is take adequate breaks while studying to keep it effective. Now, study should never be done with force or with any kind of, mental pressure. That is why I say that start on time and be consistent. So while you're studying, this is still you have good amount of time. While you're studying, take adequate breaks. It's not like you're just punishing yourself. No. Studying should not be a punishment. It should be fun. So take adequate breaks so that the effectiveness stays. Every day, do something that makes you happy each day to reduce the stress. Now, I'm sure that something must be there in your mind that helps you reducing the stress. It could be listening to music. It could be, reading a good book or watching someone on YouTube. It could be anything. So do that. Each day, do that so that you feel that you're not stressed. You feel that you're happy and you're actually loving it. The next is create a good study environment to keep you going in preparation. This is a must. I never say that you should have a study table or a study room. No, that's practically not possible for all of us, but at least you can have a study corner. You can decorate that corner. You can keep it neat, tidy, put nicely your books there. So it's always a motivation towards whatever you want to do. See, I'll be very honest at this point of time. Exams are really near, and many of you, I know, have not yet started the preparation. So I would say please start it now and don't delay any later. And I know that you can do it. You can clear this attempt. My good wishes are with you, but along with the good wishes, you have to do a lot. You have to start your preparation, complete your preparation, and give your best. All the best. Subscribe to my channel for more such content.